Hi, I'm James Hawley. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of using floor plans when advertising properties. Floor plans are something that's been important for sales properties for quite a while now, but in lettings it's something that we started playing around with about 5 years ago when other people weren't really doing it, but it's becoming more and more commonplace now across the market. Wherever possible, there's something that your agent should be offering to you, because the more information that's in front of tenants or potential buyers, the more informed a decision they can make. Floor plans on their own won't give a full overview of a house in the same way that pictures on their own won't. But when you put the two together, you really get a feel of the size and space and layout of a property. What this means is when people are flicking through houses online or looking through adverts on portals, they can get much more of a sense of what this property is like before they come and take a look. In a world where people are time poor, they want to be sure that they're making the most informed decision with as little time as possible. Since introducing them as far across the board as we can, we've noticed that we have less people coming to see each property that's listed and less properties on the list for people that want to see multiple. While this might sound like a negative, the conversion rate on those that do come to see houses is much higher. In the same way as making sure maps are available with your listing so people know where properties are, by having all of this information available, people know what to expect before they get to a property. That means that they can get rid of anything that they see online that's not going to match up for them. When people are coming fully informed, they're ready to move much quicker, and it means that you're only getting the best applicants coming forward because they are fully prepared to take the property. Where possible, the best listings will always include professional photos, a map of where the property is, a floor plan, and in some of the best agents are even now including 3D walkthroughs, which means that effectively people can view the property from home. If you'd like to talk about listing your property or how to improve your listing, pop us a message below or get in touch.